Hi guys, Andrew from Accelerate. I just want to give you a run through of this canopy fit out we've just done. It's a Norwell compact jack-off sitting on a Ranger body. I think we'll start with the battery source. So we've fitted a Enerdrive 200 BTEC that fits away underneath the drawer here, built into the back. It's part of the Norwell fit out. We've actually got a really good location for it. That's obviously got the Bluetooth app, and the reason why we went with the 200 is because we're going to run a 2000 watt inverter and we want to be able to use inductive cooktop and so on. So that'll be the main current drawer, is that inductive cooktop, but this will be able to handle anything or charge all these drones, anything he comes up with. That, then the inverter is over on the other side, and we can show you that afterwards. It's basically powered up from this side, just on a switch, turn it on, and we've now got 240 volts throughout. The monitoring is just the Enerdrive ePro. We've got one here. It'll give us a full percentage readout. Once we fit a solar panel to the top of this, it'll show us what the solar's putting in, what the car's putting in, and the state of charge of the battery. So you're tucked in here, we've got the Enerdrive DC to DC, and then on the other side, once they come into stock, we'll have the Enerdrive 240 volt, 40 amp charger as well. The DC-DC chargers there, it'll do all the alternator charging, so while the engine's running, the battery's charging, and also it will charge via the solar panel. So we've got a solar panel up on the roof, and it will feed in through that DC-DC charger for when he's parked up. All of that is running Bushman 130 fridge, so they fit perfectly in these canopies. Got the same one myself, and then over here, I don't know if you can see, we've got the Travel Buddy oven. So this will be his main cooking area. We'll sit an inductive cooktop on here. We've fitted a GPO right here so he can plug his cooktop in, fridge, oven, everything ready to go. I guess we'll take you over the other side and we'll show you the inverter. So over this side we've got the Enerdrive 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. It's the one with the RCD and the transfer. So we've got that wired into multiple GPOs throughout the canopy to be able to charge wherever he wants. So we can have stuff on this side, he's got his inductive GPO over that side, and then we've got another charging one behind the fridge. We've also waxed some Andersons around the place just for outputs if he wants to run a second fridge here, USBs, charge phones, and the dimmer for the hardcore lights. So these are on and off, and they're also a multiple colour, mainly the orange one is what everybody wants for the insects. So that's dimmable as well. We've put 3 of them throughout, one on each door and then one in the centre. As I was doing the walk around, I forgot about this. So we have fitted a ARB double pumper in here with an air tank as well. All his hoses tuck away nicely in here. His input's here. And yeah, just plug into there. He can inflate his tyres, his airbags, and I don't know, pool toys as well if he wants. That is all switched from here. And just anytime you want, you just plug in and off you go. So in here we've fitted the Light Force fascia. We use this one a lot in the Rangers, gives us some extra switch blanks. So we've just used 2 switches. I'd say we'll end up putting a ToPro in here, but at the moment it's just for the light bar and some auxiliary lights. Thanks for watching our Norwell canopy run through. If you want to watch any of our other canopy videos, check this one out here, and YouTube thinks you should watch this one here. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below.